What's up, guys? You join me back today in the E61. This is a sort of a bit of a, to some people this is a very simple video, but I thought I'd show everyone how you go about pairing a phone on a mask unit on an E61 BMW. The process is pretty much the same across the board on old CCC units, but yeah, if you're new to this car and you just bought one and just wondered, is it working okay, is it connecting okay, what should it look like, things like that, obviously, just watch this and I'll show you how to do it. Let's crack on. Right, so first you're going to need to turn your car on. I shouldn't have an issue with connections. I've got a phone connected already, an iPhone, but I'll show you for demonstration purposes on a Samsung. This is a Galaxy S8, but yeah, this, pretty much most modern phones will still connect to this fine, so you shouldn't have an issue there. If you do have an issue, check back to my module video. That sort of shows you how to sort of rectify any faults with Bluetooth modules and things. Just really, to be honest, by a nice easy straight swap. I originally didn't have Bluetooth in this car, it was completely broken, but now it's fine. I'll put a link down below if you want to watch that video. So firstly, what you'd need to do is click on the main button here, which correlates to the information in the center of the iDrive. Now, if you display by clicking down on your jog wheel to Bluetooth and then click OK, you'll see here now that it's got telephone, settings, help. If you pair a new telephone, obviously ignore my phone. You may have a load of different old historic phones in yours, but if you click on pair new telephone and then start pairing, now what it will do is it will give you a BMW pairing number, which obviously is your car ID, and then what you would need to do is go into your phone. In this case, as I say, this is a Samsung. If you guys want to see an iPhone being paired, then let me know. But if I go to settings on my phone, click on Bluetooth, and it's now searching for devices. Obviously you can see on the screen there it's still in, I suppose, discovery mode. So what we're now doing is looking for that Bluetooth device. Now that's interesting. You can see there that that number is different to what I had on the screen here. That's because the module is actually a different module. It's, it works exactly the same, but that's something to bear in mind if you're going to replace it or have issues. But it doesn't affect the functionality at all. So what we're going to do now is input a code. So I'll just do 0000. So nice and easy. Oh, I have completely messed that up. Start again, sorry. Okay, so 0000. Confirm passkey, and then on the phone here you can see it says pin, so we're going to put 4 zeros in like so and click OK. Now it's just going to verify on there and connect on the phone. We'll just wait for that to go ahead. Right, so as you can see now, we have successfully paired. So what it's now going to do is, as you can see there, it's now connected. It's going to give you your phone book, your last dial numbers, your top 8, etc, etc. Now this only works if you've dialed in the car, so you know, when you start using it, it will populate this A to Z. As you can see, it's highlighted there. That will populate eventually. It's just sometimes it's quite slow. You know, this is an old car, it's not the fastest in terms of uploading your data to it, but it will do eventually. And yeah, once you have that, you'll see at the bottom the phone and the current signal strength. So yeah, dialing numbers quite simple. Just simply scroll through, put this all in, you know, put numbers in and stuff. On the Samsung here, you can see it's asking for access to contacts. You would click allow, like so. And then what that will now do is allow the car to pull that information from the phone. Now, in terms of actual controls, you can either dial the number, you can pick in your A to Z, which is still loading up on mine, it takes ages. You can redial through last number, through the top 8, and then obviously these are your missed calls and current connections. In terms of actually on the vehicle, steering wheel, you can select the phone book, by either one of these, depending on what you've set it up for, and then you can use the up and down to go through and scroll through your list, and then you can then answer or decline or drop, using this button here, which is the little phone button. And that's pretty much everything covered there. This isn't a audio streaming system, just to make that clear. I had a 335D with a CIC, and I had a COM box in, and it was, you know, USB, aux, Bluetooth streaming in the works. But on these older systems, they are just simply aux and Bluetooth calls. You can retrofit stuff. To be honest, I'm probably not going to bother doing that. If I was going to put a new system in, it would probably be an Android system, just because the CIC stuff is getting a bit old now, and yeah, especially the CCC stuff, so it's not even worth the money personally. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you've got any questions, obviously just drop us a comment below, and yeah, we'll finish the video there. So there you go, guys. Obviously I don't want to teach you all to suck eggs, but you know, just in case anyone, as I say, has just bought one and is not sure how to do that, you know, there you go. If you like what you see, you know, give us a comment, like and subscribe, that'd be brilliant. And yeah, if you want to see any more similar simple vids, I guess, on any of the functions of an E60 LCI, or even a pre-LCI, I'm pretty sure, you know, I can cover that. I've had one before, so I can tell you the differences and things like that. So just let me know, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.